All right, we're back at a GR Corolla, and I'm back with Fenton from the Zygreen YouTube channel. We're out here at the Mama Spring Rally, the Midwest Automotive Media Association Spring Rally. We're at Road America. This is my first time out on track today, so gonna dust off the cobwebs and figure out what I'm doing, where I'm going. But second chance to drive this GR Corolla on the track. We spent some time in it recently on the street in Michigan and California, and a little bit of time on track, but Road America, a little bit longer, a little bit higher speed. Excited to get this thing out here. All right, and we're off. They repaved Road America last fall. I like the sport gauge cluster, yeah. Super linear. We're in 50-50 front rear power bias.
Is that some understeer there?
A little bit of understeer. It's a right entry. Looks like it.
Yeah.
Oh, this is so smooth now. Braking early here. Yeah, I actually like this car in 50-50 track mode over 30-70. It claws its way out of corners a little bit better, even though there is some safe understeer.
I can feel that.
Yeah. 30-70
understeer, but it's controlled.
Yes. 30-70 is better for like loose surface. And again, new surface on Road America here, it's going to be a little bit slipperier.
Right.
These brakes still feel great. Around the carousel. We'll grab fourth. It's fun. Yeah, this circuit is good, but if you're doing track work, you want the Marizo. It's just so much sharper.
The suspension and the gearing, right?
The suspension and the gearing, yeah. A little bit lighter weight, shorter final drive.
The gearing on this doesn't feel long.
No, it doesn't. But you get in the Marizo and it's like, oh, this is better.
Yeah.
Really easy car to drive on the track though.
Seems like it. You're not having to correct at all. Really.
No, it's so stable. You just point, aim, shoot in this thing. We'll let the brakes cool off a little bit these last couple
the tires
turns.
Nice and warm for my stint.
Yeah, that's right.
Some expert driving from Chris, as always.
Yeah, that was fun. Cool. What have you taken out on track so far today?
I've taken the RCF Track Edition.
Oh, cool.
I've taken the GR Supra, which is quite good.
Yep, that's a manual.
Yep, and the GR86, which is exactly what I expected.
Yep, sure. Familiar territory.
I think that's it so far. Does this feel the same as the Core Edition with just the performance package? It's mechanically identical.
It feels exactly the same. Yeah. Drives exactly the same.
Okay.
Yeah, there's no difference. Yeah. Can't remember where Toyota was parked here.
Here's Lexus.
But are you just taking this out again?
I'll just take this out.
Yeah, just take this out. All right, cool. All right, another taste in the GR Corolla on track. Fun car, very easy to drive, very predictable. For thrills, I'd still rather have a GR86, but
BRZ.
BRZ
boys unite.
BRZ boys. It's the same. That's okay. Yeah.
Same thing.
We'll take it. But yeah, enjoy.
All right.
All right. Go check out Fenton's channel, Zygreen, on YouTube.
Much appreciated.
Yes.